Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this session we are going to see the data science and visualization. So first let's see Introduction to Data Visualization. It is a crucial skill for data scientists and anyone for analyzing the large data sets. So it allows us to understand the complex patterns and trends in data by converting the numerical information or the complex information into the visual representation. So basically the data visualization, it is a representation of data through use of common graphics such as charts, plots, infographics and even animations. So these visual displays of information that communicate complex data relationships and data driven insights into a way that is easy to understand. So now let's see the overview of chart representation. It is a process of representing the data in a graphical representation. As I told, there are various types of charts like line chart, bar chart and pie charts. So each chart has its unique strengths and weakness. So the appropriate chart type, it depends on the nature of the data and the message you want to convey. So this graphical representation, it allows us to understand easily and communicate the data effectively. So first let's see what is line charts. So the line charts are excellent for visualizing the data that changes over time. Basically the line charts, it connects the individual data points that typically display quantitative values over a specified time interval. And the line charts, it consists of two axes. So the first is x-axis and the next is y-axis. So as you all know, the x-axis, it is a horizontal one and the y-axis is the vertical. So graphically it can be denoted as x comma y. And the line chart, it supposes monitoring behavior in a set of data. So these charts are useful for more than tracking change over time. They also help highlight differences and correlation within your data. So furthermore, a line chart can help a viewer make predictions about what might change, like happen next. So they are commonly used in fields like finance, economics and healthcare to track stock prices, economic growth or patient health trends. So coming to the bar charts. So the bar charts displays the data using a number of bars, each representing a particular category. So the height of each bar is like proportional to a specific aggregation. For example, the sum of values in a category it represents. The categories could be something like an age group or a geographical locations. So here, as I have mentioned here, so the first is comparing categories and the next is visualizing and the last is grouped comparisons. And the bar chart, it includes few advantages, like it shows each data category in a frequency distribution, and it display relative numbers or proportion of multiple categories, and it also summarizes a large data set in a visual form. It clarifies trends better than do tables, and it estimates the key values at a glance, and it also permit a visual check of accuracy and reasonableness of calculations. So coming to the pie charts, so pie charts are used to show proportions and percentage of a whole. So they are circular graphs divided into slices where each slice represents a different category. So pie chart, it's sometimes called as a circle chart. It is a way of summarizing a set of nominal data or displaying the different values of a given variables. Like for example, the percentage distribution. So this type of chart, it is a circle divided into a series of segments, and each segment represents a particular category. So the pie chart, it helps to organize and show data as a percentage of a whole. So true to the name, like this kind of visualization, it uses a circle to represent the holes and the slices of that circle or pie, so to represent the specific categories that compose the whole. And here, but they can be difficult to compare across categories when there are too many slices. So choosing the right chart type. So here I have included four types. Like based on this, we can differentiate which chart to be chosen as the right one. So the first is data type, and in this, if like the type of data you have to choose which influence your chart selection. So the continuous data is best represented by line or scatter plots, which like while categorical data is well suited for bar charts and pie charts. And the next is message, where consider the message you want to convey, where do you want to highlight trends, so compare values or show proportions. And the next is audience. In this, like keep your audience in mind, choose a chart type that is easy to understand and interpret. And the last is visual impact. So here the visual impact is very important. It is well designed, and in this the chart can be more effective at communicating your message than a poorly designed one. So coming to the creative effective charts, so here it includes four steps. So the first is data integrity. So data integrity, it ensures the accuracy and consistency and also the reliability of the data throughout its life cycle. It involves maintaining the data quality and preventing unauthorized access or corruption. And the next is clear labels. So clear labels, it enhance the readability of charts by accurately describing the data points and axes. So they help the audience quickly to understand and information which is being presented. And the next is appropriate chart type. So choosing the appropriate chart type, it ensures effective data visualization by matching the chart to the data and the message that you want to convey. So this enhances understanding and communication of the information to the audience. And the last is visual aesthetics. So the visual aesthetics in charts, it involves like using design elements like colors, fonts and spacing to make the chart appealing and easy to read. So good aesthetics, it enhance comprehension and retain the audience attention. So real world applications. Here the data visualization, as it is more essential in various industries. So like businesses which use the charts to analyze sales trends and track the customer behavior and also make some informed decisions. So here as we have gone through three charts. So first is like line chart. It is used in finance to track stock prices or in meteorology to display temperature changes over time. And the next we have seen is bar chart, like which is employed in business to compare the sales and figures across different products or in demographics to show population distribution. And the last is pie chart. So it is utilized in marketing to represent like market share distribution or in budget reports to show expenses breakdowns. Thank you guys for watching.